Hello out there. Welcome to Road to OSCP. Today we are taking a very important topic of OSCP course. It is all about understanding the concept of overflows. There are different type of overflows are there. So we have decided to create a series of video which will address to each and every topic one by one. And in first of that, I'll like to address the concept of data type overflows. Now, in lots of language, especially C, Java, these are strongly typed language in which you have to address the data types and its value very strictly. So, what I have done, I have just tried to create a small program in C and try to demonstrate the concept of data type overflows. Okay, the program I'll execute in some time before you. It will just present you a menu box in which there will be three options available to you, in which there will be an account balance which is 1100 rupees given to you, and you will be required to purchase the elite items from that mall, and each and every elite item will cost you around $1 lakh, 10 lakh dollars. So since you don't have that account balance, so you're not able to purchase it. So major objective of this program is to find out the way in which you can purchase that item from the mall, that is the elite items. But at the same time, I have given you an option to buy the fake item or the dummy items from this mall as well. Now, what this fake item and dummy items will cost you? It will cost you around 900 rupees per items. Now, 900 rupees per item, if you'll just go through the source code of this particular program, which I have uploaded in my GitHub repo, you can download it from there and compile it at your end. If you don't want to go with the solutions of us and try out something of your own, then you can pause the video right here and you can solve by your own. In the meantime, you can see that I'm just showing you the different kind of fuzzing that I'm showing before you, so that you can understand the checks and balances, the validation that I've implemented in the program. So what is your major objective? Well, your major objective is to manipulate the account amount balance that you have, that is 1100 rupees, to a value where it will help you to purchase the elite items. Now, how to solve this problem? So what I have done before solving this problem, I have created one more program that is called checkin.c. Okay, so checkin.c will help you to understand the concept, the underlying concept very clearly. This in C, whenever you define an integer variable with an statement called int dot int variable name equal to value, okay, or not values, okay, either you can pass a fixed value to it, or you can just leave it to the user input. So I'll just show you that program as well, the checkin.c, and we'll straight away go to the program source code, the source code of buy me if you can, and the checkin.c both. Okay, and you can see at yourself at your local system as well, because I have uploaded the same in my GitHub repo. So every integer data type has a maximum value. So what is the maximum value? Because the sign integers has 1 bit is fixed for the sign, and another remaining 31 bit is fixed for the value, that is 2 to the power 31. So it will be standing around 2147 something, the big digit is there. So that is the major objective, that what happens when we reach to a maximum value of a data type, and after that what happens. Okay, so I'll be showing it. So major objective of this particular video is to show you that. Okay, so let's go to the checkin.c and let's try to fudge it. So far I have cleared my intention to you, that what is the major objective of this particular video. Okay, so right now I'm showing you the buy me if you can, and there is a flag. Okay, there is a flag inside this buy me if you can, that is which is if you could buy the elite item, then there will be a flag that is called you nailed it. Okay, so just don't retrieve this flag through the source code. Okay, but try to break it. Okay, now the checkin.c it will just accept your input and present you the output. So I'll show you the different values while fuzzing the same. Okay, let's see what happened, how much. So I'll execute that program and pass the different values. Okay, I'm passing the different values to it. Okay, 1000, 2000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and As we grow above the maximum limit of the possible data type, it will give us the value as an output that cannot be defined. Okay, so why these undefined values are coming? Because you are crossing the limit of the data type, and that is called integer overflow. Okay, so what is the maximum value that is possible? Okay, see, I'm still fuzzing only, and you can anyone who has got the concept, they may increase, okay, the video speed by 1.5x and to understand. But for beginners, I will recommend just go with the flow so that you can understand the concept slowly, because if you are taking baby step now, that will automatically increase your speed with the time to come. Okay, so you don't have to race with the other one. Okay, so I'll just now go to the Google and try to find out the maximum value of integer. Okay, so maximum value of integer in C. Okay, so it will give us the values. Okay, let's type the maximum value only. Okay, let's type the maximum value without going. Okay, let's type the maximum value. Okay, so it is exactly, so as I said, 214748 3647. Okay, so this is the maximum value we have. Okay, so let's try to copy this value and pass it to our check-in program to see what output we are receiving from it. So let's pass it and paste it, and here it is, exactly the amount. Now let's try to increase this amount by one digit. Okay, the last digit I'll be changing. Okay, now see, we'll be going to the other negative side of the range. Okay, the range is -2 14746 478 to +1. Okay, in case of signed, in case of unsigned, it is only the positive value is there. Okay, in case of signed, you are getting both the negative and positive value. So in the challenge statement only also, we will be trying to achieve that. We'll be trying to achieve that what is the number of items that we need to purchase in order to reach this maximum value. And we will definitely, because the maximum value can be achievable, so we'll try to fudge it to the next higher values. Okay, so let's see, we'll be trying to, so how to find out the number of items for the maximum value? Because if each item is 900 rupees, so how to get the number of items? We can just simply divide it. So that I'm just going to do, we'll be dividing the same. Okay, so I'll be dividing 214. I am just showing you one more time the by me if you can .c, and straight away going to that part of program where the fuzzing can be done. Okay, okay, so let's see, I'm just showing you that part. Now let's try to find out the number of items. I hope that you have, so far you have got the concept. So let's see, 900. Okay, say 214748. Okay, let's straight away go to my browser. Okay, and try to put the number of items. So maximum value is copied, divide by 900. So it will be around 24 lakhs. So I'll be putting this 24 lakhs into my program. Okay, so let's 24 lakhs. Okay, 24 lakhs, yes, right. So now let's try to put 2 4 7 times 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and see, we have already increased our amount balance. Now let's straight away go to the go to buy the elite items, option 2, and followed by option 2 again, and then only one item we need to buy. Okay, and here it is, we've got our flag. So I hope that you have understood the concept of data type overflow, and for this video this is just enough. We'll be coming with a series 2 of this particular series overflow, in which we'll be addressing some different concept. And before I finish this video, I just like to thank you for all your support so far, and I hope that you will be keep extending your support like this to us. And please recommend our channel to your friends as well of the community, so that they can also get benefit. At the same time, they can also suggest us the videos that they want to see, and topics they want us to make videos on that. You can suggest you can suggest us through the comment box. And thank you for your time so far. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a great time.